Thank you for purchasing our Switzerland travel guide. We're excited to help you explore the most beautiful places in this country. This quick video will show you how exactly to use the map. First, please download the PDF that you can download on the website after the purchase or in your emails. If you cannot find it, check your spam folder as well. When you click the link, the map will automatically get added to your Google account and opens up. By clicking View Map Legend, you will see all of the spots on the map grouped into different categories. To see all places in a category, click on More. By clicking the check mark next to the categories, you can turn their visibility on and off on the map. Let's hide all places except for cities and villages, so I can show you how it works. Press the back arrow on the top left corner to get back to the map. Now you can explore all places on the map. By clicking on a spot, it will open up. You will see the name of the place, a detailed description and photos of the place. By clicking on directions, you can navigate to the place from anywhere. If a description to a place does not show up, press the arrow on the top left corner once. Press on View Map Legend, click Refresh, go back to the map and open the spot again. This will only happen on Apple devices sometimes. If you are using an Android smartphone or a browser, you won't have to worry about this. To get back to the map overview, click on Saved and at the bottom on Maps, then choose the travel guide. To close the map completely, click on Close and go back to Explore. To open the map, go back to Saved, Maps, and choose the travel guide. We hope you enjoy your adventure in Switzerland with our travel guide. Feel free to reach out to us via the contact form on the website if you have any questions or need further assistance.